and work in our first psychographic data set object. let's get real with our first psychographic data set. So this is to find from a data mining what is the sentiment analysis from a big data perspective. We will use open data, which is coming from the 60 personality test. So we will know in average what people like, what people don't like, what is the mean average value and expectations. We use this part of what is called ocean to see the level of people, how open they are, how neurotic they are, how agreeable, how conscious, and how logical they are, and so on. So this is coming from MIT, from cognitive science and brain research, the 16 test, personality test. So first thing I want to do is to download my library, which is called Psych of Psychographics. Psych. And I'm gonna run this. The next thing I want to do, I want to create my data set, which is this. I'm gonna use this one. Now omit. So these generic functions are used for dealing with NAS, and this data frame NAA fail returns the object if it doesn't contain any missing value. So this is what we will be used. On this one, I'm gonna use this BFI, which is the 25 personality self-report. There we go. I'm gonna open the bracket, and I will use only from 1 to 25 column. Let's go to run that part. There we go. Now my next step is to create my other variable. So I'm gonna assign the value to fa, and I'm gonna make these fa data, and this data will have 5 rotate the variant max. So let's say fa assign the value fa data comma 5 rotate variance maximum. Yeah, I run this. Now I will do my parametric par. So par can be used to set or query graphical parameters. Parameters can be set by specifying them as an argument to par in tag equal to the value form. Okay, so I will get these to my margin, which is gonna be equal. I'm gonna use the column, and as before I will use these 5.1 comma 4.1 comma 4.1 comma 4.1 1 2 3. There we go, and I'm gonna run this. Now it gets excited. I'm gonna use the plot, and I will loading. What we're gonna be loading? Our fa, which is the one that we create above, and sex equal 0.5. Run. Why is an error? Loadings. There we go. I missed the S right here. So, excellent. This is what we have right now. Let's see why it's my plot. Seems to be a little bit out of order, but it's okay. So here is the matrix. Here is the load. This is giving the plus and minus. We have the mu, and this is our diagonal. I want to show here that is our data coming from 2,436 observation with 25 variables. I can use view and I can see this. Anyhow, so on this one we have 2,436 observations and we have 25 variables. The variables are our columns and our observations are the rows. And this is the plot. Well, this is a psychographic library. When we want to do sentiment analysis, or when we will combine psychographic data with demographic data and geographic data, this will be very useful. Well, my name is Israel, and I hope you like this tutorial for psychographic library in big data analytics for military applications. Thank you.